Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is December 20th, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. Right now, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures flat on the session. Yesterday, we had another bloodbath decline after the Federal Reserve raised interest rates by a quarter point and also guided for 2 more rate hikes in 2019. The market thought they would be one and done, but that was not the case. So today, futures are flat before the opening bell, so we'll see what we get. Yesterday, we did make new lows, new 52-week lows on the S&P 500. Also took out the February lows. So it was an ugly, ugly sell-off. We'll see where we end today. Nonetheless, markets are still alive, and they're still in play. Let's get to stocks in the news. First one we're going to start off the day with is going to be Walgreens. WBA is the ticker symbol here. I believe they reported earnings. Stock right now is trading at $72.14, closed at $73.29. So Walgreens under a little bit of pressure, but not a whole lot. We'll see what it does once the opening bell rings. Right off the bat, when I look at the charts here, I have to say anywhere around 69.50, I get interested in Walgreens. So keep that level on the radar today. We'll see how it plays out. We'll look at this one again once we get to the intraday stock chat room at 9 a.m. And again, if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We've had a great 2018. You could trade right alongside of us. Next up, we have, looks like Sanderson Farms, SAFM. Looks like they came out with guidance or numbers. Looks like they are trading lower. So be careful here. Stock right now is trading at $94.95. I think they blame the North Carolina hurricane for a lot of it, and it probably is somewhat the case. So we'll see how it plays out. Nothing I would do with this name at the moment. Let's take a look at CAG, CAG. I think they had some numbers as well. Stock right now is trading at $28 a share, closed at $29.09. There's really nothing I would do here yet, but I will be looking at this one once the opening bell rings. We'll see where we go. Right now, when I look at this name, I have to think it's more around the $26 level that gets me interested. But nonetheless, we'll see what it does once it opens up. We have InBev and Budweiser on the radar here. It looks like they took a stake in TLRY. So Anheuser-Busch, InBev, looks like they took a stake in TLRY, ticker symbol TLRY. It's a marijuana play. That stock's getting a big boost today. It's closed at 71 bucks, now trading at $80. You can see in the after hours went all the way up to about 85 and change. So again, good little pop there. We also want to take a look at ticker symbol CE today. Looks like this company is going to be added or joining the S&P 500. Express Scripts is coming out, and looks like CE will be added in there. Let's take a look at Herman Miller. MLHR is the ticker symbol here. Stock right now is trading at $32.11, closed at $30.27. So that's a nice little pop. That's, I believe, on earnings. We'll see how that plays out once the opening bell rings today. Let's take a look at Newell Brands. I think Carl Icahn up to his stake in this company. Stock is trading at $21.41, closed at $20.40. Again, I don't think there's a whole lot to do here. Still a lot of resistance around $22 if it does get up there. Next up, we want to take a look at Newell Brand, BB, which is BlackBerry. They've changed their name so many times. Stock is trading at $7.72, closed at $7.35 yesterday. So this is a nice little uptick there. We'll see how that plays out once the opening bell rings. We have ACN in play. This is Accenture. Stock right now is trading at $143.70, closed at $150.96. This is a pretty decent haircut today. Again, if you're looking at this name right off the bat here, I have to say there's probably some support around the 140 area. But again, we have to look at this once it opens up. We'll see where it really shakes out to. One more here. We'll do Schnitzer Steel. Stock right now is trading at $23.82. I believe this is on downside guidance. Schnitzer Steel, I just don't see a play here. If it gets to around the 21.25, 21.50 level, I think that could be something of a bounce area. But right now, I don't see much to do at the moment. So be a little bit careful with Schnitzer Steel. Once again, futures are starting to tip down a little bit, now down 2.25 points. Looks like we have gold today trading higher by $3.80. That means the dollar is down. Gold did not do well yesterday after the Fed announcement. If you take a look at the GLD, you'll see that is trading at 118.80, so upticking nicely. Spot gold currently is around $1,260 an ounce. Looking at crude oil today, we have crude oil down $1.43 to $46.74. Crude caught a bid yesterday. Today, it's giving all of that back. If you take a look at the USO, which is a good ETF to track crude oil, you'll see that's trading at $9.89, closed at 10.02. Again, spot crude trading at $46.75, down $1.42 at the moment. So crude oil under pressure, and that's even with a weaker dollar this morning. So we'll see how this all shakes out going forward. Here is the dollar index. You can see that's getting hit today, believe it or not. So you take a look at the dollar coming down despite the Fed being a little bit less dovish than most were expecting. All right, we're going to wrap it up here. Again, if you haven't done so, come on over. Take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. 2018 has been a blockbuster year. And again, we're going to look to keep that going right into the end of the month and beyond. With that being said, everybody, have a great trading day. And